Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, yesterday I came in my village in mountain. So these days I'm here to do so many work which I have to do. So that's why I came here. So guys, now I am at my home and now I have been working since morning so many work which we usually do in our life in village. So guys, now I'm going to do some other work and I'll show you weather air and uh, because these days I'm not consistent in my channel, I'm not making any kind of video. So today why not make blog little bit for my practice as well and also other learner. So guys, now I'll show you the weather air all rounder and also my home. Guys, this is the weather from my home. So you can see mountains and weather is something like this cloudy, and it's been 2 days. Weather is looking something like this, but it's not raining, just all over day cloudy weather something like this. And this is the look from my village all rounder. As you can see, there is looking another village too far away from here, and this is my village home. So as you can see, something like this all rounder. So guys, as you know, these days spring season is going on. So I love this season. I don't know why, because these days are so many plants are going growing and so many trees are all looking like very green. So that's why I love this weather and season too. And you can hear so many words are sound like real therapy in mountain. So that's why I love this season, because this is my favorite season in all year. So that's why I love to came here in my village whenever this season is coming in complete year. So I just love to come in village, and also I have some another work too, but I love to enjoy. And as you can see behind me, birds are sounding like real therapy in nature. So I'll show you something more, and I'm going to do some work now. And now time is 5 o'clock. uh, so I have to do some work and I'll show you something more. And this blog is kind of like whenever I love to make blog, so just I shoot randomly, and this thing can help me somewhere to my fluency, because I haven't not practiced since long. So whenever I get time, so I just shoot my blog, because I don't do any kind of practice these days. So let's go guys. This is the view from my village home, and as you can see, this is a little tree there, because I bought this tree for my house. As you can see, they are growing, and this is our onion plants, and this is the, what can I say, garlic plants. And field is onion, and second and third one is garlic plants. So I'm going to do some work there. So guys, I have some work here to do, so let's finish it first, then I'll go to back home and let's finish it, and I'll show you something more if I get time. But this blog is, I will make little bit short, because I don't have any kind of content now, but just do some work first and then I'll shoot some more things in this video. So as you can see, these days our greenery is everywhere. As you can see, so many trees are all over green, but as you can see, mountain are there, they are totally fired, because someone is, I think, fired here for regrowth green grass. So that's why mountains looking something like this, because someone is fired. So that's why weather pollution is growing past in our area too, because no one is cared about environment. That is why this thing happened. But now I am here in my field. As you can see, garlic plants here, and so many fields are here, and weather is something like this. So guys, now I have finished my work which I had to do. So now I'm going to back home. So usually I do so many work when I come in my village. So because I'm a all-rounder kind of girl, because I know all work little bit, so that's why I can do so many work which I usually do, we do in our village. So now I finish this work too, and now I'm going to back home. And I think this vlog is kind of little bit short. And so guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, so I would definitely like to make more blogs something like this in English. So if you like, so please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to more make this kind of blog. So guys, that's it for today's video. And if I stay for long time here in my place, so I will definitely shoot another vlog too. So these days I'm stuck. As you can see, I fumbled a lot and my tongue is get twist again to again. So because I don't do any kind of practice guys, but I don't want to lose my fluency, so that is why I just try to implement all things in English and try to describe no matter I know and don't know. So I just try to something learn day by day. So I will definitely try my best to learn this language, because I am very enthusiastic to learn this language. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll meet you in the next video blog. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay tuned.